Sanbonani, Dumelang, Premier, MECs, all protocol observed. We'd like to take this opportunity, Premier, that you gave us as burial societies and social clubs in the province and in the country. The initiatives that the provincial government, you come with a township stock exchange, we really appreciate. But we are saying it's an initiative that will marginalize majority, because only the few will benefit. As an institution or federation of burial society, our view, it's a cooperative model, which we are saying collectively, all of us, our contribution, that the 4 banks that we are talking about, and the research findings from Finmark Trust in 2014, that is talking about burial societies that we've got, by 2002, we're having more than 100,000. Now in 2014, 820,000 that we are having, registered or not registered. Because according to South African laws, we've got 2 laws. There's Friendly Society Act of 1956. As long as you are a burial society or social club, they've created that act so that you can go and open a bank account in any financial institution, whether you are registered or not. There's a Cooperatives Act, which is 2005, which is cooperatives are registered entities. As a society or social club, you can be registered as an institution. We're also saying a Premier, the cooperative model is the way to go. Because when there's a funeral Premier, example, there's funeral undertaking services, who's benefiting from there? There's transport, who's benefiting from there? There's tents, there's chairs, toilets, catering, meat, veggies. Collective as burial societies, we can share some of those responsibilities. Others, they own a cooperative funeral undertaking. Others, they own transport. Others, they own tents. Others, they do decor. Others, they provide meat, different types of meat, owning a butchery. Our sisters spoke very well in terms of the little that we are having. It can make a difference. And one of the issues that we are battling, Premier and the MEC, when we spoke about these initiatives or this intervention, can we come together, put our resources collectively? Our people will say, no, we can't take our monies because we don't trust you. But the fly-by-nights will come and say, put 500 rand, you'll get meat, you'll get the following. People will jump. Put a lot of money. When there are problems, they go to government. But when they started this initiative, government was not there. Now government, it can't be correct. And also we are saying some of the institutions, in terms of regulatory framework, your Financial Services Board, which is one institution also that as an institution we've got issues with. Financial Services Board doesn't protect majority of us or members of burial society one way or another. And I've been raising these issues in a number of platforms. Example, for you to be registered as an institution to sell an insurance product, you need to have a you must be a financial services provider. But how many people are selling insurance products which are not FSP compliant? And we've been raising, but FSP is not doing that. For us as an institution to apply to get an FSP, normally it's a 3 month. It took us 1 year, 6 months, which is 18 months, for them to approve our application, because they said this is for the first time, which is one of the issues that we are raising as an institution, that we are saying the cooperative model, we must have our own banks that is owned, controlled by member burial societies and social clubs and communities at large as the first entry. Secondly, we are saying we must have our own cooperative insurance. Because when you go to any insurance company, they will tell you that my mother is risky. How can my mother be risky? We've been running a society for 20 years. When there's a funeral, we pay. But when we want an underwriter, they say my mother is risky. And we did not have any insurance by then. But we managed to give whatever little that we're having. Then we're saying we need to have our own insurance that will respond to the needs of our people, which is secondly. Oh, thank you. The other thing, there are so many things in a cooperative model that we can talk about. But these initiatives in partnership with government, we are saying it's a good start in terms of the township stock exchange. But our view, we still remain that township stock exchange also must have a platform and an opportunity for us as cooperatives in terms of growing our members and also making sure that our members benefit at the end of the day, not individual benefiting. Thank you.
Thank you.